I've had a wonderful experience in the Indianapolis area. It's my first introduction to Truth at Work, and I've been really impressed. I had an opportunity to meet over dinner with the leadership and to catch a sense of their vision and what they see for this work, and I'm really impressed. I could see Truth at Work expanding to every city across America. It really needs to, because the message is powerful, that the faith that you have in Christ integrated with your work really does come together, that the two belong. And I think the future, very frankly, of evangelism and outreach does come through the workplace. I think the business leaders of our country are going to be the prime message carriers in the decades ahead. So to get built up in the faith, to really become strong in studying the Bible and really see how it applies in your work life on a daily basis, that's a marvelous combination. So I salute all that's happening here in the Indianapolis area and encourage people to get involved. This organization is on the go, they're growing, and they're going to have a big impact on our country in the years ahead.